In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a dynamic graph in Notion. Let's dive straight in and untangle this seemingly complex task into a series of manageable steps. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a dynamic and visually appealing graph that can bring your Notion pages to life. First, open your Notion workspace. You'll want to ensure you're in the right page or database where you plan to add this graph. If necessary, create a new page where you can easily experiment without disturbing any of your current content. Once you're ready, let's move on to connecting an essential tool, Google Sheets. Next, head over to Google Sheets and create a new spreadsheet. This will serve as the foundation for your graph, where you'll be inputting your data. Make sure your data is well organized, with clear labels for columns and rows, as this organization is key to generating a clean, accurate graph. Now, it's time to visualize your data. Highlight the data you want to use for your graph in Google Sheets. With your data selected, click on Insert in the top menu and choose Chart. This action will automatically generate a basic chart based on your data. You can customize the chart type and appearance by clicking on Chart Editor on the right. Play around with the different chart types and styles until you find one that best suits the data story you're trying to tell. Once you're satisfied with your chart, the next task is to embed it into Notion. First, click the three vertical dots in the top right corner of your chart and select Publish Chart. Confirm the action by clicking Publish again. After that, you'll receive a shareable link or an embed code. For Notion, you'll want to copy the embed code. Now, navigate back to Notion. On the page where you want the chart, type the command /embed to bring up the embed option. A block will appear where you can paste the Google Sheets embed code you just copied. Once pasted, click Embed Link, and your dynamic chart will materialize on your Notion page. The beauty of this setup is that it remains dynamic. Any updates you make in your Google Sheets data will automatically reflect in your chart on Notion. It's an incredibly powerful way to keep your visuals up to date without the need for additional edits. And there you have it. You've just created and embedded a dynamic graph in your Notion workspace. Not only does this enhance the visual appeal of your pages, but it also allows for easy comprehension and access to real-time data updates. Feel free to repeat this process with other data sets, and soon you'll have a full arsenal of dynamic diagrams at your disposal. Thanks for watching, and happy Notion ing!